Hi everyone, my name is Haley. I'm here today to review a topper by UniWigs. Here she is. So this is again the Claire human hair topper by UniWigs. It's a 5.5 by 5.5 inch base. There's 4 clips here. It's a lace front. I've already trimmed the lace to meet my hairline so it'll blend seamlessly. Let me show you guys how I put this on. So I like to keep the clips closed. You can part it anywhere in this space here, which is pretty cool. So I'm gonna just line it up here with my natural part. I'm holding it down, opening the clips, pulling on it a little bit, and then actually clipping it in my hair. Got one more back here, and we're good to go. There you go. It's just that easy. As you can see, I curled it a little bit already, and it looks really nice that quickly. I mean, it blends really well with my bio hair. I don't think anyone would ever know that this was a topper. So here's the back. Hopefully you guys can see that. Looks really nice and natural.